Want to let Steam download your games overnight without any interruptions? Here's how to do it. First, open your Steam and then go to the Steam icon up top and click on Settings. Inside of Settings, go to Downloads, and in Downloads, click on Schedule Auto Updates. And now here, set the time to something between 12 a.m. and 5 a.m. or 9 a.m. This ensures Steam focuses on downloads during your preferred hours. Now, inside downloads, make sure limit bandwidth is turned off or set to high for enough speed so downloads finish faster. If you have multiple drivers, make sure the Steam library folders is on a drive with enough free space. You can check this under storage here inside the Steam settings. Now, go to power settings on your PC and disable sleep hibernate while plugged in on Windows. Open power and sleep settings, set sleep to never while plugged in. This keeps your PC awake the entire download. Finally, leave Steam running and connect it to the internet overnight. Optionally, you can pause all other heavy internet usage so your download finishes faster. By morning, your games will be fully downloaded and ready to play. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.